Are you losing website visitors before they get to know you? There's not much point in generating a lot of website traffic if those people leave immediately when they enter your website and they don't engage with your marketing further. If you want to investigate this further, then look for your bounce rate in Google Analytics. A bounce is when somebody leaves your website on the same page that they enter on. Once you've had a look at this, have a look at which pages people are bouncing from. If they're bouncing on your contact page, then you probably don't need to worry. Maybe they've got your email address or phone number. Whereas if you've got a high bounce rate on your homepage, that suggests that a revamp is needed. The most common situation we see is that bounces happen on blog posts, in which case you could change the layout so that there's a suggested related post, downloadable, or the option to subscribe to an email newsletter. So investigate your bounce rate, your engagement rates, and identify actions to keep people engaged with your marketing and your website. Next week, does your marketing help people to know, like, and trust you?